Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Yee token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, Yee token YEE is a community powered meme coin launched on Ethereum, designed to embody the iconic Yee dinosaur internet meme and position itself as the historic viral to pape an OG meme on Ethereum. Launched just 10 to 14 days after PAPE in 2023. It is an early pure meme coin with no technical utility roadmap, community driven narrative. Its value propositions is to build entirely on a viral social narrative and a long standing internet meme rivalry. Cultural artifact over product. It functions as a tokenized piece of internet culture rather than a platform for DeFi or other applications. Yee token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is also 1 billion Yee token. Yee token is listed on MEXCL Bank, XT.com and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 70% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.